here we have on the right hand side, we have an avocado that starts with the number 9. It's really hard to tell, but this is an organic avocado. And then right here on the left hand side, we have a non-organic avocado. It starts with the number 4. So when you're looking for your avocados, you always want to check the number, and sometimes they might even say organic. We are actually doing an avocado and hard-boiled egg mix in this video. This is just a quick breakfast that you can make if you are in a rush. The hard-boiled eggs, you can find them at the supermarket already made, but if you do have time, then you can boil your own eggs for 10 to 15 minutes. It doesn't take that long. And then right here we are just smashing it right in, or mixing it right in with the avocado itself. This is just 1/2 of the avocado for right now. We're going to keep mixing the hard-boiled egg in here. This is, as you can see, it was 2 hard-boiled eggs that we added, and this is 1 avocado that we will be using. So we're just going to keep mixing the eggs with the avocado. And then we're going to add our other half of the avocado into the mix. And like I said, this is just something very fast, very easy to do if you are a very busy person. You can just go ahead and have like the avocado and the hard-boiled eggs. Like I said, you can even have them already pre-made if you get it at the supermarket. And then we keep mixing. You want to use either a glass bowl to mix this in. And then we're going to add sea salt. Make sure that you use sea salt or pink Himalayan salt whenever you're using your when you're eating foods. And then we added a little bit of pepper as well to just give it a little bit more taste to it. And then we're going to mix it until it is well mixed together. Today we are going to use a sourdough bread. This particular sourdough bread is non-dairy. You can just check the ingredients to the bread that you have, and you know, non-dairy is best. So if you can find that, usually you can find that at Whole Foods or even Costco or Sprouts.